All right, so today Jason's going to come back over here, and what we're looking at is a section of an old duct. It's not from this house, but it's pretty similar. It's the same metal duct system that's upstairs. It's got the same wrap on it, which is an R4 insulation, as well as the fact that it's got no mastic on it, which is actually necessary. So we're going to come on over here. Mastic kind of looks like oatmeal paint. It's a thick paint, but what it does is it makes it pretty impermeable for water, which is moisture vapor, to actually get through it, and it's an excellent source to help keep out the humidity and keep in the cool air.
All right, so what we did up in the attic is we took the ductwork which was fixed up there. We cut off the old insulation. We peeled it back, and then when we peeled it back, we saw that it had duct tape, which is not code approved for this particular seam. So you can also see how it's loose on there. Even though it is there, it's not providing that airtight seal that we look for. So we took our mastic and we painted all of these seams over everything and let it ooze in, providing our seal. And then you notice this line here, this is where the ductwork snaps together. We've painted all these seams, providing additional sealing, which was more than it originally had. This is an elbow. Now this particular fitting never had any sealing at these joints. So we painted all of these joints as well to provide an airtight seal all the way around the ductwork. Once we sealed the ductwork, we pulled the insulation back, we taped it in place, and then we overwrapped it with duct wrap, which comes in 4-foot sheets. We cut it to fit. And the overwrapping basically made it look very similar to this. We applied our tape, we squeegeed it down, and made a permanent fix.
And what you provided it with is not duct tape like people believe in. It's actually HVAC tape. Is that right?
Correct. This tape is designed specially for duct wrap. You'll see it has little ribbons through it. These fibers, in addition to the special adhesive, will cause this to seal like it should and not pull off in the heat of the attic. Duct tape that we're familiar with, that you may get at most common retailers, is not designed for the heat nor the stresses that the ductwork will endure, nor the temperature swings through the day.
All right, well, thank you, Jason, very much for showing us that. And you guys did this through the entire attic, and so now what she'll have is a much tighter system, less intrusion, and she'll actually have better air quality.
Correct.